Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we want to show you some details that are usually not noticed, but are crucial. We specially made a test mold, using mirror polishing and anodizing processes for comparison. After many rounds of testing, as shown in the video, mirror polishing is currently the only solution that can effectively solve the problem of aluminum plug marks. Therefore, starting from this improvement, we will fully upgrade the surface treatment process of the new mold and uniformly adopt mirror polishing, which not only improves the quality of the mold, but also further improves the appearance and overall quality of the final product. This is just a small microcosm of our road to quality improvement. We always insist, details determine quality, and professionalism achieves trust. The mold in front of me is used to produce EPS lines. According to traditional processes, this type of product will leave traces of aluminum plugs on the surface after molding. This line is mainly used for indoor ceiling decoration, which has high requirements for surface aesthetics. In response to customers' demands to eliminate the aluminum plug marks, our team made additional research and development attempts. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.